guys, it's Jazz and I'm here today with a hair review. I'm so excited about this hair review because I'm so excited about this hair. This hair has made me go straight. It has brought me over to the straight side. I was a curly girl, gung-ho about the curls, and this has really opened my eyes to what straight hair can do for my life. I'm obsessed. This is the Nadula Indian Straight. I'll put the links right here, but I have a 20-inch closure. Yes, only a closure. 24-inch, 26-inch, 28-inch, and a 30-inch bundle. 4 bundles and a closure. That is it. And Nadula, y'all have changed my life. Let me just go ahead and say that this video is not sponsored, okay? Been wanting to do this video ever since this hair reached a year old, and it was still my go-to wig. I was like, okay, I gotta let the girls know. I gotta let everyone know on YouTube what the tea is about this hair. My closure slide, I don't have this wig attached. It's literally just sitting on here, but y'all get what I mean. Just ignore the fact that my closure was a little pushed back for the intro. This hair is the Nadula Indian Straight hair that I got December 2016, okay? It is now mid-April 2018, sis. It's been a year and over 4 months, okay? Over a year and 4 months, and this wig is still my go-to wig. Now, go-to wig, what I mean when I say go-to wig is, y'all know I do a lot of different hair things on this channel. Y'all have seen me in a lot of different hairstyles. If you follow me on Instagram, you know this wig, okay? Because this wig is what I wear when I'm not filming, because I already filmed a video on it. This wig is what I wear in my everyday life. This is what I pick up. This is the wig that I leave out. Most of my other wigs are like tucked away. This one is ready to grab at any moment because this is the go-to wig, okay? And this is the Nadula Indian Straight hair that I got way back when. The same wig, the same hair color that I applied on it. I dyed it a jet black color back then. The jet black color is still here, still popping. Look at that! Oh, look at how shiny that looks. And there's no product in this hair at all. No product in this hair at all. It's actually slick embarrassing to say the last time that I washed this wig. The last time I washed this wig was definitely over a month ago when I put these waves in it. And I put the waves in with a curling iron. And even though this hair is straight hair, it still holds a freaking curl. And I brush this hair. I'm not tender with it. I be brushing it, okay? And the waves are still here just from the wand curls that I did over a month ago. And I wear this wig when I do not have locks in. I have been wearing this wig 3 times a week over the last year and 4 months, you guys. The closure, you can see that she is still looking good. It's a closure unit. I will put all the hair specifics down below. It's 4 bundles of 28 inches and a closure. A year and 4 months wearing it 3 times a week average, and it still looks this good, still holds a curl, still is luscious, still is silky, still is soft. And this hair sheds less than a lot of my other wigs from a lot of other companies, to be honest. Of course, it's gonna shed when I do go through and brush it with a paddle brush. I do get some hairs, but she's still thick, she's still full. If you guys don't know, I did a hair campaign shoot for Nadula. I did not let them know that I was filming this video, although I probably should have. But yeah, you guys, this is not an influence video at all. Like, I just really wanted to let you guys know what is up with this hair because, you know, I know finding hair on AliExpress can be such a task. Like, you never know what you're gonna get on AliExpress. I have been ordering hair on AliExpress since I was 17, okay, so about 7 years now. And you guys, by far, this is the best straight hair on AliExpress, period, point blank, period. Yes, I said it. Who gonna check me, boo? Period. And I'm not gonna steer y'all wrong. I just gotta put y'all on one more time because this hair is lit. This hair is everything. I plan on wearing this hair until it hits its 2-year mark. It's a perfectly good, perfectly laid wig. So easy to throw on because it's a closure wig. And I got the elastic band dome cap, so I just literally just throw it on. That's why I keep it within reach at all times. I just wanted to get on here real quick and do this quick little video before I go out. Definitely check out the link that I put down below on this video, and then I will also link the original video that I did a year or 4 months ago down below as well, so you guys can see my excitement at that time and my excitement now. It's like it hasn't changed. Like, I love this wig. I hope y'all enjoyed this quick little video showing you the hair. Oh, what rhymes with oh? I don't know. The hair got flow. I'm walking out the door. Hey. All right, bye y'all.